Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in the city of Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was a victorious and non-violent fighter. Mahatma Gandhi's father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putlibai. Gandhiji was married at the age of 13 and his wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi and they had 4 children. After schooling, Gandhiji went to England for higher studies. Gandhiji studied law from the University of London to become a barrister. Once, when he left for South Africa to argue a case on the way in the train, he was thrown out and insulted for daring to travel as a co-passenger of a white man. When he went to South Africa, he witnessed the plights of Indians there, who worked there as laborers. In 1906, Gandhiji organized the first mass civil disobedience campaign called Satyagraha, Truth and Firmness, in South Africa to oppose the Black Act. Gandhiji launched movements like non-cooperation, civil disobedience, salt satyagraha and British quit India, etc. against the British in India. Gandhiji, an epitome of non-violence and patriotism, he led the nation and he secured independence for India. Gandhiji imprisoned for many years upon many occasions, both in South Africa and in India. Gandhiji gave famous slogans like "Do or Die, British Leave India." On 30th January 1948, Nathuram Godse shot Gandhiji dead by firing 3 bullets into his chest in New Delhi. Gandhiji's birthday, 2nd October, is marked in India as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday, and worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence. Mahatma Gandhi is mostly known as Father of the Nation and we affectionately call him Bapu or Gandhiji. Rajghat in Delhi is a memorial dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.